In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Tally Forms. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have the tools and knowledge to customize your forms effectively. Let's dive in. First, you need to navigate to the Tally website, which is a free online form builder that offers plenty of customization options. Once you're on the website, your journey will begin by clicking on the Login button. Now, to access your account, select the option to Continue with Google. You might already be familiar with this step from other services, but it's nice because it simplifies the login process. After clicking on Continue with Google, choose the appropriate Google account from the list. This part is straightforward, but do ensure that you're selecting the correct account associated with your Tally forms. As you progress, you will be prompted to click Continue to finalize your login. This confirms that Tally is being allowed access to the relevant Google account, and in a moment you'll be directed to your Tally dashboard. With access to your dashboard now, the next step is to select the form you'd like to modify. Simply click on it, and you'll be taken right to the form's editing area. Here you can make a variety of changes, but today our focus is on adjusting the font size. You'll see a Customize button. Click it. This is where you can access different options for changing your form's appearance. In the Customization menu, locate the Layout section. This section houses many of the form's visual modifications, including the font size. Within the Layout section, spot the Base Font Size option. You can adjust this to change the primary text size across your form. Type in the new size you desire. For our example, we'll use 30 pixels to give the text a more prominent presence. That's it. You have successfully changed the font size in your Tally form, creating a personalized and visually appealing representation. Remember that playing with different sizes not only enhances readability, but also creates an impactful visual that aligns with your form's overall theme. Feel free to experiment with the size until you find what works best for your specific needs. Tally's flexibility ensures that as your design preferences evolve, your forms can evolve right alongside them. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through our channel or check out more of our content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you